Hi guys, so as I was discussing about on to the next video, I'm going to be talking about that how you can actually make things that is onto the fitness niche, because I am going to take an abnormal niche and I chose the fitness niche because many people are really crazy about that and people just love it like anything. So you can be an artist, you can be a painter, you can be a dancer, or you can be a photographer, you can be a writer, whatever it might be. Okay, so I'm going to give you example of a fit niche, of a fitness niche that you can easily use. And not just that, you can actually monetize that and you can make a good amount of money and you can live off your passion and you can enjoy your passion while not making any video but still enjoying the video and making people aware of the things that you love. A channel that I am going to talk about is known as Body Hub. Okay, so Body Hub has got quite a good number of subscribers. You can see the channel art, and not just that, it has made near about 701 videos, and that's really good. Now not just that, you can also make videos like that. Now let's see what type of content that Body Hub is actually making. See, the type of content they're making, it's very simple. Okay, it's pretty easy to make. Now let's see the type of videos. So here we can see the latest videos, that is these videos, these 5 foods are a must for women's health. Okay, so these are the food videos, so they're making for women, and these are the 5 foods, and here is the thumbnail. Okay, so it's kind of good one. Now the effects intermittent fasting has on the body, so you can see all these are health videos that they are actually publishing, and here we can see the channel art. And not just that, here we can see that the making money out of it. Okay, not just money. Now here we can see the impact or the value adding system that they have created, they have made. So here we can see that they are making near about 8.7k, 3.5k, and the best thing of all is that these kind of videos that you can see doesn't get views in one day. So the views actually goes on increasing because these are evergreen content. These kind of content are the content, these kinds of content are the content that are actually being consumed again and again. For example, this kind of video is getting ads. Okay, so here we can see, and I am just going to simply turn it off, and we can see some ads up here. Okay, so since we can see ads up here, okay, so here you can see the type of videos that they are publishing. Not just that, see, the push-up is a timeless exercise that generates a combination of the best push-up variation is the key, including one arm push-ups, growers, grape push-ups, and all that stuff. Now here you can see the type of videos that are being made, and you can easily make these kind of videos really easily. And there is a software that is known as Vidinami, and I don't know this software is, I heard it because this software is getting shut down and I felt really bad about it. And you can use other softwares like Lumen 5 or InVideo, and all these are there that can be used really easily, and you can make videos like these. Now here we can see the views as I was talking about. Let's see the most popular one. The most popular one has got quite a good number of views. Like, what will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? That is 1 minute plank. And here we can see the thumbnail that is pretty good, and it 10 million views. Okay, so what's happening is this has gotten about 10 million views, and that's pretty good. So here we can see they are getting views again and again. So this has got 8.4 million views, it has got 4.4 million views. I hit 1 mil, it has got 4.3 million views. 5 ways to gain healthy weight for skinny people has got 3.3 million views, and all that. So what's happening is you do the 50 push-ups every morning and see what happens to your body. Okay, this has got 2.6 million views, and it is being uploaded 1 year ago, And not just that, you can actually make videos like these really easily. Okay, see the videos that you can see is assume a push-up doing done and white hats. Okay, the hands will be at a 45-degree angle, and you can say and you can do a voiceover if you want to do it alone. Okay, so if you have a team, you can actually do it, and it will be just be very beneficial for you if you do it with a team. And if you have a team, or if you don't want to hire a team, you can start with one channel. And I'm going to give you a separate video that should you start one channel at once, or you should just multiple channels on the preferences or the passion that you have, and you should definitely try them out. Okay, so not just that, here we can see something. But now let's talk about money. Okay, so how you can actually monetize, because we have also a goal. The first priority of ours is to live off with our passion and do the things that we are really passionate about. The second most priority of we have is to monetize that, and we can make money out of it. Okay, so it's also a part that is really with our passion, that is connected, because that's how we can actually be able to live and do the things for next 40 to 50 years, and we are really passionate about that. Okay, so let's go and let's see that how much money they are actually making with these kind of videos. Here we are into the Social Blade page. Okay, so here we can see Body Hub up here, and here we can see the same channel art, and here is the channel. We can see the channel's image, and not just that, we can see the uploads are near about 702. The subscribers is near about 921k. The video views is 76 million, and it's an Australian, I think it's an Australian channel, and the channel type is how to. So now we can see something. The subscriber rank is quite good, and it's the 264th channel in Australia. Okay, and it's the 1825th channel. That is, it's not the biggest or the best channel. It's in 1800, almost in 2000 channel onto how to. Okay, so we can see this kind of basic kind of channel is getting or making near about, you can see, from 752 to 12k. So since it's a fitness channel, we can assume this channel is making near about 7 to 8k, or you can say from 5 to 10k every single month. Okay, so it's kind of good one. So if you want to start a channel that is gonna make near about 5 to 10k every single month, or you can say that is going to give you near about, you can say almost 100k every single year, that is pretty good. Now we can see something, that is the total subscriber is kinda up and down it has been, and not just that, it's not that it has simply stopped growing. See, you can see there has been a 38.5% hike in the subscribers, and there has been 18k subscribers additionally added into that channel. You can say 18k subscribers have subscribed to that channel in the last 30 days, and that's pretty great. Okay, not just that, you can see that there has been some 3 million views extra, or you can see that 44.9, that is almost 45% of people have increased in the video view, and this is massive, and this is just awesome, because you can easily learn from them and you can actually monetize that. Okay, so this is the thing that you can see. Okay, for example, now here we can see this channel is making near about, we can say 5 to 10k, and this is simply nothing but YouTube Partners Program money that they're talking about. Okay, so this thing that you all can see, it's near about 100k, we can say. So this is really less, what I can say. Now let's talk about this scenario. The amount of subscribers it has is near about 912k. Okay, so let's assume they offer a product of $10. Okay, and they offer it to people, and the conversion rate is near about the standard that I believe it's 3%. Let's assume that the conversion is 3%, which is really normal, or I can say I am just being too much aggressive toward the conversion rate because it shouldn't be with the quality of information they're giving. So out of, let's assume 900k, I'm gonna be little bit aggressive and let's take it as 900k. So the 3% would be, for example, for 10 subscribers, for 100 subscribers it would be 3, right? For 1000 subscribers it will be 30, for 10,000 it will be 300. Okay, for one, that is for 100k it will be 3000, and if we multiply with 9 it would be 27, right? And then we add a, so here we can see that is near about 27,000 people would be taking a $10 product if they sold it. So how much would it be extra? So it would be 270k. Okay, so it's just being a really good option that they can also make. So I just added $10 product, it will be never like that. So if you multiply with 50, okay, so 27. So if we actually do the math, and let's do the math in a proper way. So if we take 27,000 into 50, so how much will it be? So we know 57 is 35. Okay, so we have 3 in hand and we are going to make this work. Okay, so 3 and 0, so we can see that this is going to make near about $1.3 million if they sell $50 product. Okay, so it's pretty great, it's pretty damn great. So they can actually make $1.3 million with simple channel. That is not the best channel that they have on Australia. There are far more better channels. As we can see, this channel is not the best channel in Australia. In fact, it's the 1825th channel. See, it ranks almost into 2000th channel, or we can say. So this is not the best channel, this is not the channel that people look up to always. It's a simple channel that is making quite a good amount of money, and you can actually work on these ones really easily. Okay, you can actually work on these ones and you can make money from it. Now let's talk about how you can actually make a channel like that. If you want to start a channel like this one, like on the fitness niche, let's take the example of a fitness niche right now. So if you want to start a channel on the fitness niche, the first thing that it's needed to be done is that you need to make some idea. Okay, you need to do the ideation process. You need to know that what type of content would be there in your channel and how you are going to add value in there, or we can say, as I say, it's a value adding system into your audience. Okay, into your audience mind, and they will be really trusting you for that because you give them quality information. And please, it's a request of mine that don't just give vague informations, just always give genuine and pure information that are rich in quality and backed up by science, because that's how it will be helping a whole community to grow, and that will give you a quick success but will also give you a quick downfall. And what's going to be happening is that you're not going to get a long sustainable business. Okay, so I want you to aim for near about 100 million in 10 years. Okay, I don't want you to make $1,000 every single day for now and you don't make money after 3 to 4 months. I don't want that to happen. I want this to happen to you so that you get a consistent recurring passive income or passive revenue, so that you get the best genuine ways and you make it in a much more faster way, and you can be easily be able to follow your passion and do the things that you love. Now, talking about that, how you can make a niche based channel like that, for that you need to make the ideation and you need to make a script. Now, a script can be made by you, and I would recommend that you should make it yourself if if you have time, or if you don't have time, just give it to a person who is simply going to do it. You collect videos and you give it to a video editor who is going to edit the videos. And what you can also do is that with that you should give your voiceover, and whenever the voiceover will be done, the video editor will be editing it and going to be synchronizing or adding them up together and going to publish a video, and that video will be uploaded by you. Okay, and then you add value. Whenever you add value to the people who are watching that, they are going to grow and they are going to subscribe to your channel, and you can monetize with different platform, and you can also do affiliate marketing with them, and you can use YouTube partner program, and you can easily be able to monetize your own passion. Now that's really a way that can be easily be done, and you can start a niche based channel like that. For example, as I was talking about Body Hub, this channel is making almost 100k with YouTube partner program, and has the potential to make near about $1.3 million if they sell near about if they sell near about $50 products. Okay, so if they sell $50 products, they have a potential to make $1.3 million with that. Okay, so it's simple, it's easy if you understand the systems and processes right, and if you are genuine to the work or the passion that you really love, then you can do it in a sustainable way and in a long-term way. There are other strategies, and these all the strategies that are the techniques that I'm telling you are for beginners. So I'm gonna provide you the best of the best so that you can all learn in other videos, but in this workshop that we are going to do, it's going to be really for beginners so that you can actually start doing the things and you don't have to worry about other things. So I hope that you have enjoyed this whole video, and I hope that you're gonna start the videos off so that you can add value to your potential audience. Are going to be getting very good information and are going to get those golden nuggets, and they will be really happy, and you're gonna enjoy doing the things that you love, and you will be happy to do for this in a long term, for near about 40 to 50 years long term, on to the things that you love. And that will be the best thing that can happen to you and to your loyal fans that are getting constantly informed about the value that you're providing to them. And the best thing of all is that you don't have to even show your face in this long-term game that you're playing. So that was all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the whole video. See you again on another day, or we can say on day 3, so that you can actually make a lot more impact, and you can be able to give much more value to people so that they learn and they grow, and you ultimately be the person who you want to be. That's all for today. See you again on another video. Bye for now.